Hi, Crafty friends. Lace here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm on today with a small little Temu order. And this order is a little late. So some of the things I probably won't be able to use until next year because some of the things are St. Patrick's Day. um, and I received it like the day before you can file that it's like, you know, did not show. Well, however, I don't even remember how many days is that, 18 days or something like that. I don't remember, but like it came like the day before I could have filed for like lost items. But it did show up and I will have it for next year and I'll be ready. So first off is these little like clover containers. They were $1.74, but I thought that they could be cute little trinket boxes. And they're clovers. I thought it would be cute just to put some little, St. Patrick's Day little, beads, charms and stuff in. It's got a little hole here, so I could have put like a little tassel or something on it. But again, I'm going to put these in my stash for next year. Hopefully I'll have more time to do a little bit more St. Patrick's Day crafts. What else do I have St. Patrick's Day? I picked up these stamps so I could stamp like the inside of cards that just say like St. Patrick's Day and stuff like that. These were $3.69. I just didn't have any St. Patrick's Day stamps, and I really like to do like a stamped sentiment inside of my cards. So yeah, that's why I got these. Got some dies as well. This one was $2.97, and it's like these little what are these called? No, they're not buntings, are they? I don't know. They're like I don't know. I'll show you the picture. I'll put pictures up in the corner of all of these as well. Of course, some have stars and they're given more like 4th of July themed, but I thought these could be bright colors, and I thought that these could be cute on either a card. I'm thinking like summer. I'm doing American Crafts swap, and I was thinking, oh, this could be something cute with like the Maggie Holmes colors, the yellows, the like turquoise and pinks and stuff like that. I don't know, I thought that I could play with these and make something cute out of them, because like this like ruffly one is just so cute. Anyway, $2.97 for that. Here's a little pot of gold. I really actually don't need this because I do have other little like cauldrons or pots of gold in my stash. So I'm not exactly why I got this one. Probably because it's 85 cents. Maybe I was looking at it and then decided. I think there's a stamp that kind of goes with this. And maybe it was out of stock and this ended up in my cart. I don't know. I'm not mad at it. It's only 85 cents. But I technically really don't need it. This was $2.94, and this is like a Mother's Day. I don't have anything that says like Mother's Day, any kind of sentiment or anything like that. And the flower is kind of cute, so I was like, oh, I'll get that. It just says Happy Mother's Day. Make some Mother's Day cards and send them out. And then, everybody loves a little sunflower. So this is a cute size. So that's why I picked that up. And then I picked up this well. This was $4.22, but I have ideas for this well. I have ideas. I mean, it could be a spring, summer wishing well if you're doing any kind of like farmhouse type of cottage core crafting. I know that there's a cottage core swap going on right now, but I'm also thinking, on the spookier side. So I have ideas with this, and this feels heavy. So I have a foiling plate that I think that I could foil this piece right here, this flat piece. I don't know. Yeah, I have ideas. I have ideas for that. And then this is a little car, like a little VW bus, not bus, a little like love bug car. It was $4.65, and the picture just got me. It was so cute. I liked that it was kind of layered, and it's a good size to put on like a front of a car. My nephew is getting married. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm already trying to make them an album, but I would love to make like a just married card and stuff as well. I think that would be really cute. What else? I think that's it for dies and stuff. I got these little pouches. These were $2.16, and they're just little pouches, little zipper pouches. But I thought like, oh, to put little, I don't know, charms or just like little beads. If I'm not doing like a whole you know, embellishment box or trinket box, but I wanted to share just a few things with friends that I could put them in here, and, you know, it doesn't take, it's not too bulky or take up too much room. I am doing a couple like traveling journal type of thing, so I could put like little charms in here for the next person, or something like that. I was just kind of thinking, oh, these could come in handy, and if things pop up for me and I think that I might possibly have a use, I add them to my cart instantly, because I am easily influenced, very easily influenced. And again, 216. How many are in here? There's 15 pieces, so I feel like that's a good size for like, or a good price and for this size of like this PVC type of pocket, I guess. I don't know. I picked up these little earrings. These were $1.72. They say lucky. Of course, I would take this apart, put them on a charm or a pokey tool or something like that. So again, maybe for next year, I mean, yeah, anything that I would be able to get out would be late as of right now. I mean, some people don't really care about like holiday mail coming in late. I mean, I don't. Like, things happen, you know, mail is slow sometimes. You just don't get to it as fast as you get to it. Like, Happy Mail is Happy Mail to me, but some people don't like that. But see, neither here nor there. I don't know if I'll do it this year or not. So, and then these were $3.01, and there's 2 of them in here, and they were just like somewhat pre-done dangles. I was just going to add to them, and I thought that would be nice and easy. But they're just these little like good luck clovers. So I could see it has like this little chain where I could add all kinds of stuff to it. This one just has a star on it. This one says good luck, and then you have your 4-leaf clovers. So I was like, oh, this is a good base. I could add to this and then put it on something. So again, these will just go in my stash for next year. I think that's it with the St. Patrick's Day stuff. I picked up these little flower charms. These were $3.21. How many are there? 20 pieces. But these are really cute. They're just all these little flowers. But I'm really going to try to do something Bridgerton. I don't know. There are, like, the reds I can definitely say for, like, Valentine's Day. They're giving me Valentine's Day vibes. I thought maybe there'd be more of a color variant. I'll put a picture up. But I'm not mad at it. Like, the blues and pinks, anytime. Actually, all of these colors I could use for Valentine's Day, Christmas, whatever. I thought that there was more of a color variety. I think that you can just pick certain colors if you wanted, but I like to see what I get. I like to roll the dice, I guess. I don't know, the luck of the draw. Sometimes it's beneficial, sometimes it's not. But these are nice and heavy, and they're really cute. And you could glue something on the other side if you really wanted to as well. In that little space, easily. So those are cute. Add them to my stash of things. I don't think there was a gold option. Usually I'll pick a gold option over a silver option, but I don't think that there was a gold option. These are little cherubs. These were $3.47. I got pink. And I was thinking, oh, I can use these for Valentine's Day easily. Any kind of Bridgerton, anything kind of romanticized. This one seems kind of an off color. It's not as gold as the other ones. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. It's kind of weird. That one's like almost antique-y. Oops. Let me just put them all out. Yeah, that one's a little different color than the rest, but I like once you get it on a dangle, I don't think you would really notice, but they're really cute. Cute little cherubs. I got these pink cheetah earrings. I don't know. I probably thought I was gonna, oh, I think I remember. I was gonna take these apart and use them as like a charm. These were $2.57. And I was going to put this on my traveling journal. If you haven't watched that video, I can link it down below. But I did kind of like a, I don't know, just a Rebel Ed Hardy type of vibe to mine. And I thought I was going to put this on my dangle, because I put a dangle on the outside of my traveling journal. And these didn't come in time. So, but they're cute. I'll take them apart. I'll put them in my stash. Kind of pricey for, I don't know, they're cute. They're cute, you know. The prices aren't as good as they used to be still. These are kind of gaudy compared to what I thought that they were going to be. Let's see if I try to put a picture up here. These were $2.93. How many pieces are there? 12 pieces. So they're these little hearts that have flowers and gemmies, and I of course did the random color, but they're kind of gaudy-ish. Also, there's like a little rose. I guess it's because like the blue is kind of hard to read. You got black, which is fine. I can use those for like Halloween and stuff, vampire, anything like that. I got 2 different color pinks, but the blue flower is kind of hard to read compared to the other ones. I kind of like this one where it's gold, and like these ones where, yeah, they're gold or like an opposite color, but these ones just kind of blend in. And then this one has a completely different flower on it. Yeah, I don't know if those were really worth it. But again, I guess if you're putting it on like a dangle with all kinds of other charms, like, they're not bad. I don't know if I would repurchase type of thing. These little bees are so cute, and I don't think there was a gold option for these either. They were $3.18, and it doesn't feel like there's that many in here. 6 pieces, but look how pretty they are. They're so cute. They're like this. It's almost like a green. It's like a greenish yellow and pink, and they have these pearls. They're just really cute. Those are adorable. I have so many different types of bee charms and beads and flatbacks, but I do like bees, so 'tis the season, right? I got these. These are little flower centers. I've put these in flowers before. They add just great dimension and kind of elevate your flower. Let's see. These were only $2.05. I used to get these from AliExpress. There's 50 pieces, so 50 flower centers. This, I thought that it was going to be a little bit more of a mix. This was $2.30. I'll put a picture of the mix up here. But I have used these in the past, to like just add dimension to something. Like, I've done like ornaments with a letter. Like I did one for Andy, over Christmas, and it was an A, and then I just put like all these little gemmies and flowers along her A, and it just like elevated it a little bit. So you get these there's little pearls. These are little metal flowers and other little gemmies that go with it. There's even like little hearts. They're like nail art, but again, I thought that I think last time I ordered something like this, I at least got like a little baggie, and these were, I don't even know how these are all going to fit back into this thing. But I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess there's enough flowers. I can get probably 2 to 4 things out of this, depending on like how blinged up I'm going to make it or what I'm going to do to it. Again, I like to use these when I'm personalizing something with an initial for a swap and stuff like that. But let me pick this up. All right, I think I picked up all the pieces. But anyway, they're really cute, and I'll have to do one. I haven't done one in a while, and put it up in the. I'll have to take a picture of it and put it on Instagram or something so you can see what I do with them. I need to do more tutorials and stuff. I just have not. I haven't felt the best lately, but I'm doing better. New medicine and stuff like that. These are charms. They were $3.37. Does it say how many charms are in here? I think it's a 20 piece, and they're just all these flowers. So you got, I don't remember. This one is what I really wanted. You got this little frame with the dangly little tulip. You got these tulips. I don't know if they're tulips or roses, but kind of tulipy. So I think it was those 5 different ones, and you got 4 of each. This one kind of looks bulbous. Yeah. But the other ones that look cute, this one is kind of a not a really defined flower either. Kind of looks like a heart, but this is so cute. I would have ordered just those. But, you know, you don't know until you know, right? They're still cute. They will be perfect on a dangle. Or, you know, whatever else I put them on, they'll be fine. I picked up these. These were a little pricey, but these are heavy. These are little porcelain beads. They were $3.35, but 50 pieces, and they just remind me of like pottery, like old china. I just thought that they were really pretty, and I seen them and I wanted them, and they had a big hole, so these will easily go on pens, pokey tools, stuff like that. Anything beatable, there's a good size hole, so you can put those on a beatable item, and they're really pretty. Oh, I forgot. I did have one extra little St. Patrick's Day thing. This is like a little beaded mix, like the little shaker beads. These were $3.53, and you have different shades of gold, or green, white, and gold. Really pretty. It would have been really pretty in some shakers. Oh, and clover charms. These were $1.29. How many are in here? Does it say? No, it looks like 10 charms. I'll show you. They're just these little clovers. I needed more in my stash. And last but not least, I got a new pair of snips. These were $3.22, and we're going to try these out for cutting dies apart. So I had a pair of Hero Art ones that I loved, and they broke. Like the snip piece, like just broke in half. And I had a backup pair. So the first pair I got from Joann's. Loved them. I got a backup pair, Hero Arts, on Amazon, and they don't snip the same. They're not the same. I don't know what it is about them, but they just don't snip the same. Come apart. This is like really stuck on there. Why? Jeez. Alright, so let's try. Let's see how well they snip. They have they feel okay in my hand like this. Oh, they feel okay. So, but these are on the thick side, and sometimes it's really hard to fit into something that's really small. You know what I mean? But they do feel okay. But see, oh, maybe not. Yeah, these are still thicker. See how these are a little thinner? And these ones, I don't know, they just don't feel the same. I feel like these ones won't be the best because they have this outer spring, and they usually just, over time, they don't feel the best, where this is like an internal spring work. But I don't know. I'm just picky, I guess. How much did I say these were? $3.22, so not bad. I think these ones were, I can't remember, on Amazon. But they're the same brand, same snips as my ones before, but they don't feel the same. They don't snip as good. But yeah, my first pair, like one of the little prongs like just snapped off. So yeah. See, yeah, these ones snip better than these ones. I don't know what it is. I'm very picky, but I want like just a very thin pair to get into like small crevices. You know, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. It's not a big deal. But this is my Temu haul. It's not a large one, but it's a decent one. Some things I can't use until next year, but it is what it is. It will go in my stash. But if you have any questions, let me know. I will try to link everything I can, or I'll have the link down below that will link everything that is available. And I will put pictures up in where needed to be so you can visualize some of these things. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.